I grew up on my grandfather's farm. He was a strong farmer. I watched him in my teenage years die of a brain tumor. I watched how the great care that he was given by the various doctors and nurses and so on, that helped to try to overcome that illness. And so that's really what called me into the medical field, that experience. I'm a congenital cardiologist, and I specialize in advanced cardiac imaging, which is cardiac CT, CAT scans, MRIs. I do a lot of fancy imaging like 3D printing, virtual reality. I also have unique training as a cardiac anatomist. The information that I bring, I need to be working with the best of the best surgeons and the best interventionalists, and that's what brought me here to the Cleveland Clinic. I co-direct with Dr. Najim, one of our surgeons, our congenital valve procedural planning center. So anybody who is born with valve heart disease, and that could be a newborn, a child, that could be a young adult. We do a very detailed evaluation with advanced cardiac imaging, 3-dimensional and 4-dimensional imaging, to really understand their heart, their problem, and to help me to work with the surgeons, work with the interventionalists to really create a personalized blueprint of here's the problem, this is how we're going to fix it. There's often a lot of good options, and so we have to look at the pros and cons of each of those options, and then we have to come together with the family who is in the driver's seat of their care, help them understand what the problem is and why we think maybe option A and or option B are the better options. We get patients from not only local to the Cleveland area, but all around the country and really all around the world. I really treat my patients like my family, like my children, like my loved ones. And I want to be able to work with a surgeon and send them to a surgeon that I would send my own family member to. So that's my expectation for the patient, is we're aiming for the best care. So when I'm not at the hospital, I have 3 kids. I'm married, I have 3 kids, and very involved in their lives. I had played a lot of sports in my youth, and now I have a lot of fun coaching youth sports.